Hi, I'm Caroline, a punch needle tutor and artist. Today I'm going to show you how to create a beginner's punch needle project from start to finish. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Today I'm going to show you a punch needle project from start to finish. We're going to tighten the fabric in a gripper. Make sure your fabric is drum tight. Place the template on the underside and secure in place with masking tape. Hold your fabric up to the light and trace your design. To start, I'm going to punch my needle through the fabric, pulling the tail through to the right side. Bring your needle up and glide over a couple of holes into the next stitch. Here I'm creating the outline first before filling in the rest. Now I'm going to change to dusky pink for the next two sections. Then I'm going to switch to the cream, to mustard, and then back to pink to complete your project. Take the fabric out of the hoop, snip the yarn tails, use the tip of your needle to tidy up the lines between each colour. Use the outer edge of your embroidery hoop as a template. Draw around the hoop. Cut out the felt. Next, we're going to stretch the fabric using a hoop. Cut around your piece, roughly an inch from the ring. With a needle and thread, you can do a running stitch around the spare fabric. Here I'm painting a line of PVA glue around the outside edge of the felt. Now I'm going to glue this felt onto the back of my punch needle piece. For more punch needle techniques and inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas.